guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, it's keto cocktail time. So this is the first one I'm doing in my new house. So I thought it's summer. Why not do a margarita? But we're gonna do it my way. And if you're not a tequila girl, then this is, I am. But I also like a Rita. And I'm gonna do my version of it, keto style, with you guys. So without further ado, let's jump in. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos. Okay, let's talk about the ingredients and get started. I'm gonna make mine a watermelon Rita. Okay, I am gonna use an Absolute watermelon vodka. So I thought a nice refreshing watermelon margarita would be great. Lime juice, I make my own. I love these bottles, by the way. I will list them. They come in a pack of 2. And I have, if I'm going to make fresh lime juice, I'm going to fill the bottle. So I have lime juice, lemon juice, I have a simple syrup, the refrigerator ready to go. You need Cointreau. I'm not going to use Cointreau because it has carbs in it. All right, so basically what I did was make a simple syrup using monk fruit sugar and then added the orange peels and let it set, and you can see it turns this beautiful orange color, just like a Cointreau or an orange liqueur. A little bit of club soda. You could use a bubbly if you wanted. I'm going to rim my glass with a violet sea salt. Isn't this beautiful, this purple color? I thought, oh my gosh, it goes with the whole watermelon theme. Some fresh limes. And then this girl loves her margarita on the rocks. So I will use the dirty ice, and all that means is I'm going to use the ice that was in here. However, I'm also, of course, you know me, this girl hasn't changed. I love a cute little minor ice cube. This one's in the shape of a heart and it has berries in it. Kind of goes with the theme. So, all right, let's talk about the prep work. Once this is done, and I prep for multiple cocktails. Of course, you don't have to. I do because I enjoy making cocktails for you guys. Fresh squeezed lime juice. If I'm going to do lime juice, I'm going to make sure my lemon juice is full. Simple syrup. If I'm going to make a simple syrup, keto style, then I'm going to make sure that I have, and I know I'm going to make margaritas for the summer, I'm going to make sure that I have my orange pure simple syrup done as well. So it's all in the fridge, ready to go. So I've made this simple syrup a million times. It's literally equal parts water and Truvia. And you know, you just put it in a pan, let it simmer, do the orange peels. I'm kind of showing a video over here how I do it. And then if you're looking for a fast and easy way to do a lot of lemon juice and a lot of lime juice and keep it in your fridge, and it looks cute, these bottles are phenomenal. However, I don't want to sit there and do it by hand, and I also don't want a giant big machine. I got enough of those. So this little Black & Decker works perfectly. And for the lemons, save those hollowed out lemons, because we're going to do something with those with the dessert very soon. So that's the prep work. Let's get to making the cocktail. We're going to start with 1.5 ounces of our Absolute watermelon. 2 ounces of our orange simple syrup, 1 ounce of lemon juice. All right, we're gonna give her a good shake. Now, gonna add an ounce of club soda. Just gonna give it some effervescence. Rimmed glass. Margarita. Dirty ice, which just means the ice that we've used. Why not? And then, because I like that little extra. I'm gonna float a big heart in there. Gonna squeeze some lime in and top it with a little lime. All right, y'all, cheers. Let's give it a try. It's so good. Tastes like watermelon. Smells like watermelon. So, it's great. It's beautiful. Cheers to the first keto cocktail of the summer. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.